Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on moving your contacts from your SIM card to your phone's memory on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the home screen to get to your apps screen. Open the Contacts app. In Contacts, tap on the 3 vertical lines button in the top left corner. Tap Manage Contacts from the menu that appears. Select Move Contacts from the options. Now select the SIM that you would like to move the contacts from. You can manually select contacts one by one, or you can tap All in the top left to select all of your contacts. You can deselect contacts by tapping them again, or tapping the minus to the right of their name at the top of the page. Tap Done when you have selected the contacts you would like to move. On the next page, select Phone and then tap Move. Your contacts will be moved from your SIM card to your phone's memory. Tap OK. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.